Now, tapeworm reproduces sexually by fertilization, but I can add to it, I can say self-fertilization, because it has both the male and the female reproductive organs. Now, when a mature adult tapeworm self-fertilizes, the fertilized proglitid, there is this compartment, or will I put this segment, in a tapeworm. Now, each of those segments are referred to as a proglitid, and each of those proglitid have both male and female sex cells, of which the fertilization can take place in the proglitid. Now, once the proglitid is fertilized, the proglitid falls off. Now, note that tapeworm is always within a host. A tapeworm cannot survive outside a host. So once it is growing inside, it is already inside a host. For it to carry out reproduction, it is already inside a host. And the primary host of a tapeworm is actually man. Man is the primary host of tapeworm. So inside the intestine or the guts of man, okay, the fertilized proglitid falls off the body of the adult tapeworm. Now, once it falls off, when man goes to defecate and urinate and every other thing to pass out waste, okay, not even actually waste, to pass out undigested food substances and all that. Now, if pigs and other animals go to graze or feed or drink from that infested water or grass or wherever it is, the eggs enter into their intestines also. It gets or finds its way into the intestine. Okay? Now, once it gets in there, it starts developing. Now, it develops to a stage we call the bladder worm. It gets to the state where we call it the bladder worm. Now, it remains in that particular state until it enters another suitable host, which is man. Now, when these pigs, okay, are eaten, mostly eaten raw, when they are eaten raw or undercooked, when they are eaten and the bladder worm gains entrance into the man again, it develops again, starts feeding, and then develops into an adult tapeworm, and the cycle continues again. The cycle continues again. So this is how reproduction in tapeworm occurs. Please take note, tapeworm is a hermaphrodite and can carry out self